Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing easy eggless no-cook marzipan recipe. In a mixer jar, add half cup of cashew nuts, grind into fine powder. Sieve the cashew nut powder, sieve 1/4 cup of icing sugar. If you want the marzipans to be more sweeter, then add more icing sugar as required. Add 1/4 teaspoon of almond essence. Mix well. Add little water. Mix. Knead to form a dough. I am transferring the dough onto a work surface. Roll the dough into a log. I am dividing the dough into 4 equal parts. I want to make marzipans of 4 different colors. I added a drop of green food color to one portion. Now I am mixing it well. You can add food colors according to your choice. In the second portion, I am using few drops of pink food color. I am adding a drop of yellow food color to the third portion. The fourth portion I have left plain. Place the cashew nut mixture into a silicone marzipan mold and unmold it onto a plate. Marzipans are now ready. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.